Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter, that is your chapter 5, mouse. We all know mouse is also an important part in our computer, so we'll study about mouse, how many buttons are there in a mouse, types of mouse available, how we do click, how we select things. So all this we'll learn in this chapter today. Let's begin with mouse. Mouse buttons. Holding a mouse. Clicking. Types of mouse. Let's just start the chapter.
Kitty, I use mouse to select items on the monitor. Nikki, I use mouse to color pictures also. Mouse. Mouse is a very important input device of the computer. It is a pointing device. The mouse is attached to the CPU with a long wire. A mouse should always be kept or moved on the mouse pad. A mouse is used to point at the items, play games, click the item, draw pictures, double-click to open the item. Mouse buttons. There are mainly two buttons on a mouse. These are left and right buttons. It also has a scroll wheel. Left button is used to select and click the objects on the monitor. Right button helps us to perform some quick tasks with the options on the monitor. Scroll wheel is used to move the page up and down on the computer screen. Holding a mouse. You can hold the mouse in the following ways. 1. Put your index finger on the left button. 2. Put your middle finger on the right button. 3. Hold the mouse with rest of the fingers. 4. Rest of your palm on the mouse. Clicking. Pressing and releasing a mouse button is called clicking. There are two types of clicking known as single click and double click. Single click means to press and release the mouse button once. It makes a single click sound. Single click is used to select an object or document on the computer screen. Double click means to press and release the mouse button twice quickly. It makes double click sound. Double click is used to open a file or document. Types of mouse. Scroll mouse. A scroll mouse contains a wheel in the middle of the left and right buttons. This scroll wheel helps us to move the page up and down. There are two types of scroll mouse. These are ball mouse. It has a ball under it. This ball is helpful to move the mouse pointer on the screen of the monitor. Optical mouse. It uses light instead of a ball for the movement of the mouse pointer.